So how to use your iPhone as a webcam for your PC or laptop. I'm using a cable and showing the 3 easiest step. First of all, go to your mobile apps and download Camo, these apps. Download it on your iPhone or Android, or and once done, and now step 2, you have to download Camo apps on your PC as well. I'm downloading it on my PC. Once done, press on install, and then you can see your Camo apps is running on your PC. Now connect my mobile with my PC by using a cable. I'm connecting my mobile. Once done, press on open Camo apps on your mobile, press on continue, and allow your camera and microphone as well, and go back to your computer screen, and in device section you can see your mobile is shown here. Press on mobile. Now you see the result, and now you can use your Skype, Meet, or Steamlap, or any other apps. Suppose I am opening the Zoom apps. Press on new meeting, and by default it's using my webcam. Go to Camo and enable the camera, and it's done. So that's it. If video helpful, thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.